Making an omelet is a quick and easy breakfast, lunch, or dinner option. To start it off, you'll put the skillet on the stove and turn it on medium to low heat. Next, you are going to crack 2 to 3 eggs in a small bowl or cup. Then you are going to use a fork to lightly beat the eggs together. When you are done, you are going to lightly butter the skillet. If you're using any sort of frozen vegetables, you are going to put them in first so they can cook. These are only a few ingredients that will be used, but you can add anything else to it for the way you like it. Some other ingredients that can be used are onions, ham, tomatoes, or spinach. There are also toppings you can put on afterwards like salsa or sour cream. Once the vegetables are cooked, then you can add the eggs into the pan. After you pour the eggs into the pan, you are going to turn it slightly to spread it out evenly so the top can cook. Once the eggs are mostly cooked, you can add cheese if you want any so it will melt before you take it off. Before the eggs are done cooking, you're going to use a rubber spatula and slowly go around the edges of the pan so it doesn't stick. After the eggs are fully done cooking, you're going to fold the omelet in half with the spatula. Then you will slide it off the pan onto a plate and serve.